Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Well, I am so excited about fall, and what a better way to celebrate fall than making caramel apples. Well, I have designed several gourmet apple recipes that you can easily make at home. First, I want to start by showing you how to make these s'mores candy apples. You're going to take your caramels, unwrap them individually, and place them in a bowl. Then you're going to take your apples and stick your sticks in them, and take your caramels and put them over the stove in a saucepan. For each bag, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. I added 4 because I had 2 bags here. Then you're going to keep stirring until it melts. And that's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes, but you want to make sure you stay with it so it doesn't burn. Next, dip your apples in the caramel, kind of tap off the excess, and lay it out on parchment paper. While that's drying, you're going to take your candy coat, follow the directions on the packet, and once it's heated up inside the microwave, you're going to pour it into a bowl. Once the caramel has cooled down and hardened, you are going to take that and then dip that in the candy coat. After that, you're going to take the bottom, put it and kind of coat it with crushed up Oreo cookies. Next, you're going to take Hershey's chocolate bars and put your second layer there, and then take mini marshmallows and round off the top with that. And there you have your s'mores candy apple. For the next one, I've created a candy corn candy apple. You're going to start dipping your apple in the caramel. Set it aside to cool off. Once that's done, you're also going to take your candy coat and really coat it well. Tap off the excess candy coat and put it on parchment paper to let it dry. From there, you're going to take some candy melts and heat those up in the microwave in a microwave-safe bowl. You're going to set your second layer and put kind of the middle layer is going to be the yellow color. And finally finish it off with an orange color at the very end. Make sure you let these dry in between coats and let it finish off right there by putting on some candy corn around the bottom. That is your candy corn candy apple. And for our last one, we're going to make this one really easy for you. You're going to dip your apple in the caramel, put it on parchment paper till it cools just a little bit. Take some Reese's Pieces in a bowl, or you can use M&Ms, and just finish it off while it's still soft. There you have your Reese's Pieces caramel apple. There you have your Reese's Pieces caramel apple. Of course, I'd love you to subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and share this with your friends. We'll see you next time.